query this case.
Season 4, episode number 9. Kelly Severide, Firehouse 51, is at the center of a vehicular manslaughter case.
300,000 likes.
Season 4, episode number 7. The only eyewitness in a timely case against a suspected serial rapist is found murdered.
Chicken Dynamite Chainsaw.
Season 2, episode number 4. A clue leading intelligence to the whereabouts of missing teenage girls comes from an unlikely source close to the victim.
Hit Me.
Season 3, episode number 13. The search for an officer attacking and robbing casino goers exposes corruption inside the CPD.
Forget My Name.
Season 3, episode number 8. An investigation is launched when the team discovers the body of a government official.
Disco Ball.
Disco Ball.
Reform.
Reform. There's My Girl.
Natural Born Storyteller.
Natural Born Storyteller.
Never Forget I Love You.
The investigation into a dead body found at the bottom of Lake Michigan points to Voight's social circle.
She's Got Us.
She's Got Us.
Politics.
Politics.
Big Friends, Big Enemies.
Big Friends, Big Enemies.
Stepping Stone.
Stepping Stone.
Favor, Affection, Malice, or Ill Will.
Favor, affection, malice, or ill will.
Grasping for Salvation.
Grasping for salvation. Conventions. The thing about heroes. Macaroni. They'll have to go through me.
Chin Check.
Season 1, episode number.
You Wish.
You Wish.
The cases that need to be solved.
Season 3, episode number 16. The murder of a young boy rocks the community and becomes top priority for the CPD.
Now I'm God.
Season 3, episode number 10. An investigation becomes personal for Voight when an acquaintance from his past is caught putting others' lives in danger. A doctor with personal connections to Voight, Jason Beghe, is under investigation when 4 of his patients are committed to Chicago Med after an overdose of chemo.
Fallen.
Season 5, episode number 6. Upton must work with a vice cop.
Born into Bad News.
Season 2, episode episode number 23, intelligence comes to the aid of Commander Perry's nephew after he gets involved with a corrupt narcotics unit.
Prison Ball.
Season 2, episode number 6, Ruzek and Atwater go undercover as inmates after a 10-year-old girl is murdered.
Fork in the Road.
Season 4, episode number 23, Lindsay must navigate around CPD politics when her mother is implicated in a murder case.
All cylinders firing.
Season 4, episode number 3, Platt and her father become the targets of a brutal assailant.
Last-minute resistance.
Season 4, episode number 19, Burgess's sister is the victim of a brutal sexual assault.
A dead kid, a notebook, and a lot of maybes.
Season 3, episode number 7, the death of a teenaged boy exposes corruption behind the walls of an affluent school.
40 caliber breadcrumb.
Season 3, episode number 17, intelligence becomes embroiled in a violent robbery case that put Halstead in the line of fire.
Knocked the family right out.
Season 3, episode number 11, the team investigates a string of violent home invasions to find the common threat.
A Little Devil Complex.
Season 2, episode number 13, continued from Chicago Fire 3 Bells. Firehouse 51 enlists intelligence to help corner the arsonist they believe killed Shay.
The Way Station.
Season 2, episode number.
The Song of Gregory Williams Yates.
Season 3, episode number 14, after escaping from an upstate New York prison, Gregory Yates sets his sights on Chicago.
Emotional Proximity.
Season 4, episode number 16, after a deadly warehouse fire that left Olinsky's daughter fighting for her life, intelligence mobilizes to find the arsonist.
Justice.
Justice. The number of rats. Wrong side of the bars. Shouldn't have been alone.
Life is fluid.
Life is fluid. Actual physical violence. 8:30 p.m.
Care Under Fire.
Season 5, episode number 7, Halstead goes undercover to stop an ex-military kidnapping crew from killing an innocent child.
Start digging.
Start digging.
A shot heard round the world.
Season 4, episode number 8, a highly trained killer wages war against the Chicago Police Department.
What do you do?
Season 2, episode number 15, Burgess and Roman tackle a dangerous smuggling operation with no means to defend themselves or call for help.
I remember her now.
Season 4, episode number 13. Halstead goes undercover at a corrupt treatment center for troubled young girls.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I